I grew up in Greece. It's very similar culture, of course. Sharing a meal is more than just eating. It's more about, it's like a ritual. It's a place where we open our hearts over a very heartwarming meal, and we talk, we connect with the people around us. What is the importance for you of sharing a meal together, at least here in Istanbul?
Yeah, of course. When I try like new recipes, come up with different ideas and share them with my family and friends, you get nice feelings from your work at the end, even though you get tired. It's nice to serve your food to people you love and care.
Yeah, it's reminder, but there's always someone who loves you.
It's the most important thing that you are having for your health to continue to your life. So I think it shouldn't be like a quick thing to order and get to your table. Okay, it's done. Let's go to the next step. It's kind of a celebration to be every day should be. So it is nice to like take your time, do the best as you can, like with the simple ingredients to create new menu every day. It is important, and I believe it's we should be like stick to it rather than go with the, like ready foods and ordering because it has more like quality and your feelings in it.
Absolutely, your feelings, because you take your time to do every step the way it should be done, and
We
we don't
also
rush it.
believe, yeah, that's right. Like whoever is cooking the meal, it gives its like feelings to it. So if it's like from some ordering from no matter like what restaurants, you get those, ingredients and feelings from them rather than your
I love
mom's
that.
or,
I love that as an idea.
yeah, yeah.
We love
So
that.
it is important. I usually like to eat at home rather than outside. So I also bring the street food to my house. The difference is how much care you give when you're cooking, when you are eating. If you want to do it as a celebration, if you want to just skip as a quick, fill-in, if you want to be thankful for the day to have another meal on your table. So those are the important things. And also to be on the same table every day. The routines are also a blessing, I think.
Absolutely. With a hectic day outside, I think it's a safe haven to be here and enjoy a nice meal and always try something different. And
Yeah. Like the breakfast time is very important for us as a meal. We do it like weekend breakfasts as a spread to spend more time to cook couple of more dishes along with regular like quick breakfasts. It is something to even celebrate as its own actually.
what do you think is the secret ingredient to all of your recipes? What makes it so good?
Mm. Well, keep it simple, but know that it's a blessing to have all the ingredients. Be thankful that you are able to cook for your loved ones.
I think that's very important as a mindset before you start even cooking. Absolutely. As a closing note, would you like to give a message to the people?
We love Istanbul. We love our cuisine, Turkish cuisine. It's we always, even as Istanbulites, we always discover new things, and we are always welcome to discover it as well. Our beautiful Turkish cuisine. It's a lot to see here.
And I would like as many people as possible, if they have the opportunity, to come here and experience it themselves and make their own stories here, because this will definitely leave a mark in their heart. I'm sure about it.
I'm also thankful. It was nice to have you here and talk about our like cultures. Yeah, it's really nice.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Nice to have you.